started having problems with my teeth, and then they told me I had to have, a tooth removed, and then it just kept going that way to having more removed and more removed, where I ended up having to have a partial put in, which I was very uncomfortable with, and embarrassed that people would notice that I had the partial, and I didn't want anyone to see me without it. It kind of held me back from smiling, my full big smile. With Dr. Brewer telling me that, eventually I'm going to end up losing my teeth, and with my bone degeneration happening, that I was rapidly looking towards a full denture, and knowing that I wanted to move forward with the full denture. I had the biggest fear. I've always had a fear of dentists when I was a child, and Dr. Brewer put me at ease, and there was really no pain whatsoever. So when I finally got my teeth, well, a little before that, with the denture that I had to wear while I was getting the work done to put the implants in, I had a regular denture that was removable, and I really even liked it, But just the fact, because the excitement of knowing that I'm going to have a fixed one in with the implants was so, happy, looking forward to that. And once I got it, it's amazing. I love it. I would do it again and again and again. Yep. So now that I have it and it's in my mouth permanently, it has changed my whole world. I smile all the time. I'm not afraid of anybody noticing. And I get so many compliments about how beautiful my teeth are, how white they are. Overall, now I'm very confident and able to eat what I want and not worrying about it slipping, falling, or anything when I'm talking. I'm very, very pleased.
Perfect.
I would say for anyone that's hesitant about this to go ahead, step forward, because the outcome is wonderful. You'll be very pleased that you did, and you will not have any more insecurities, and really it is painless. It was all worth it. So yes, move forward. Change your life. Dr. B is the best.
No.